Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we bring you the latest updates on electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're going to explore a game-changing policy announced by the Indian government that's set to revolutionize the country's electric passenger car manufacturing landscape. The Ministry of Heavy Industries has released detailed guidelines for its scheme to promote manufacturing of electric passenger cars in India, also known as SBMPCI. This scheme offers significant incentives to global automakers who are willing to invest in setting up local manufacturing operations in India. And we're going to dive into the details of what this means for the Indian electric vehicle market. So, let's start with the key features of the scheme. Companies seeking to participate must commit to investing a minimum of Rs. 4,150 crore, which is approximately USD 500 million, within 3 years of approval. This investment must go towards establishing manufacturing facilities and operations for electric passenger cars within India. And what's interesting is that this policy is specifically designed to attract established global manufacturers rather than startups. The government wants to encourage companies with significant existing automotive operations and financial capacity to set up shop in India. And as part of the scheme, approved companies can import fully built electric cars valued at USD 35,000 or more at a reduced customs duty rate of just 15%. This is a significant incentive, especially considering that global automakers typically face higher tariffs when importing vehicles into India. But there's more to this policy than just lower duties. The scheme requires participating companies to gradually increase domestic content in their manufacturing, which aims to ensure that the import duty benefits translate into genuine technology transfer and local supply chain development. To enforce this, the government is requiring a bank guarantee equal to either the total duty savings or Rs. 4,150 crore, whichever is higher. Now, let's talk about what counts as investment under the scheme. The guidelines specify which expenditures qualify towards the investment commitment, including purchases of equipment, materials, and land acquisition costs. And interestingly, the government plans to launch an online portal for submissions and will use existing procedures from the PLI Automotive scheme to evaluate domestic value addition claims. So, what does this policy mean for the Indian electric vehicle market? Well, India's electric passenger car market is still in its infancy compared to two-wheelers and three-wheelers, which have seen faster adoption due to lower costs and simpler charging requirements. But with this new scheme, the government is hoping to accelerate four-wheeler adoption by reducing the cost barrier for global manufacturers to test the Indian market while building local capacity. And that's exactly what the policy does. It builds on India's existing automotive incentive framework, but narrows the focus specifically to electric passenger cars. This aligns with India's climate commitments, which aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable energy solutions. So, in a way, this policy is a win-win for both the government and global automakers. In conclusion, the scheme to promote manufacturing of electric passenger cars in India offers a unique set of incentives that's designed to attract global automakers who are willing to invest in setting up local manufacturing operations in India. With its focus on electric passenger cars and significant investment requirements, this policy is expected to have a substantial impact on the Indian electric vehicle market. And at ElectroDrive News, we'll continue to bring you updates on this developing story as more information becomes available. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore more exciting developments in the world of sustainable energy solutions.